Hello children, back to chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals of Standard 8th. Now we are going to study more about quadrilaterals. We are going to talk about special quadrilaterals. Here, this is one special quadrilateral. It is known as rhombus. We are initially going to discuss what the figure is, and then we are going to discuss about its properties also. Here, a parallelogram with all equal sides is called as a rhombus. We have studied about parallelograms in detail. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral wherein opposite sides are parallel. Here, there is additional property wherein in a parallelogram, if we have all the sides to be equal, it has a special name, that is rhombus. Let us discuss about the properties of rhombus. All sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. This is a property of parallelogram which is true in rhombus also. Opposite angles are equal. Again, this is the property of a parallelogram which will be true in the property of rhombus also. Actually, all the properties of parallelogram will fit into the property of rhombus. Adjacent angles are supplementary. It's a parallelogram basically, so adjacent angles have to be supplementary. Diagonals bisect each other. So this part is similar to the one that is there in parallelogram. Additionally, in a rhombus, the diagonals, they bisect each other at right angles. So the angle that is formed here, they are all 90 degrees each. Let's move to the next figure. This is a rectangle. A parallelogram with opposite equal sides and all equal angles. It is a rectangle. Here, the most important part is all the angles are equal. Now, let us proceed with the properties. Opposite sides are equal, as I told earlier also. Here, the opposite sides will be equal because that is the property of a parallelogram, which fits into the property of rectangle also. Opposite sides are parallel. Obviously, it has to be because rectangle is a special parallelogram. All angles are equal. That comes up to be the definition of rectangle itself. Adjacent angles are supplementary. This is another property of parallelogram. Here, the diagonals are equal. This is a special property of rectangle in which both the diagonals are equal in length. Moreover, they bisect each other because rectangle is a parallelogram. Next figure, this is a square. A rectangle with all equal sides is a square. So we already studied about a rectangle. In a rectangle, if all sides become equal in length, we call it a square. There is another definition for square. We have already studied about rhombus. Now in a rhombus, if all the angles become equal, it will become a square. Moreover, this is another statement which comes up to be true. It is a regular quadrilateral. That means a square is a regular figure, regular quadrilateral. That means all sides equal, all angles equal. The properties are all sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, all angles are equal and right angles. Actually, square takes on all the properties whichever we have studied till now. More properties. Adjacent angles are supplementary because every square is a parallelogram. Diagonals are equal. This is true because square is a special rectangle and they bisect each other at right angles because square is also a rhombus. This is how we come up with the end of all the special quadrilaterals. After this, we are going to use these properties to solve examples. Till then, thank you. Keep learning.